Okay, this is it. If you want to upload file to Google Drive, or you have a file you want to upload to a platform and then send the link to someone to download that file, then what you need to do is to upload it to Google Drive and then copy a link to that file and then send to that person. So this is what you need to do. If you don't have Google Drive on your phone, use the Google Drive here. If you don't have it on your phone, you can simply go to your Play Store and then search for Google Drive. Search for Google Drive. This is it. And then install it. But if you already have it, all you need to do is just to go to the drive, open the app, and then click on this plus icon here, or this plus button here. Click on it and then click on upload, and then from here you can upload the file, video, documents, pictures, or your zipped folder, or the zip files you want to upload. Or better still, if you want to upload a folder, you can click on this folder icon here and then upload your folder. So when you are done uploading, it will appear here. The file you uploaded will be here, will appear here. So for you to get a link, to send to someone, to the person you want to share the file with, you just have to click on these three dots here, and then copy the link then click on copy link, and then share it with whoever you want to share it with, or simply click on this share button here. Then share to your contacts, share to whoever you want to share from here. So that is just it. It's as simple as this. Thanks for watching. Please, I'll be appreciated if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will help YouTube to recommend my channel or this video to other people who might need it also. Thank you.